Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make Thai tea bubble. Thai tea bubble is so good because the Thai tea is just everybody's favorite. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to boil the bubble first, right? So this is bubble. I'm gonna go ahead and boil it for 20 minutes. When the water boiling, then you put the bubble in there, okay? So this is a course tapioca, and stir very well. When they're boiling, stir very well, and then 20 minutes later, turn off. Okay, now it's already in right now. Alright, so then it boiled for 20 minutes. Okay. Okay, the bubble 20 minutes done. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. Okay, and cover for 10-15 minutes, okay? Okay, when I make Thai tea, I like to measure. This is a soup cup, hot and sour soup cup. This, I think 32 ounce, but I measure with this one right here because it can have like for 2 or 3 people. Thai tea, enjoy it. So I like to put like just that much. Okay, maybe just okay, Thai tea ready. Go ahead, put in a cup. Get ready to drink. This is bubble. Just finish it. Gotta put 2 cups. Enjoy the bubble. Thai tea bubble. This is ice. There's a lot of ice. This is Thai tea. There you have it, guys. So easy to make. Okay, go ahead, try it. There you have it. Thai tea ready to drink.